Hello guys, welcome back to my 5th tutorial of minimal title series. In this tutorial we are going to see how to create this. Let's start creating our 5th title. Here I have already created a composition, by name title 5. So now let's first create a shape layer. Select the pen tool. Now draw the line, as shown. Now let's increase the stroke value to near about 380. Perfect. Now let's align the shape layer to center. Now let's animate our shape layer. Go to Add. Select Trim Path. Now make sure you are at start of the timeline. Now create a keyframe for start. Now go at 5 frames. Create a keyframe for end. Now change end value to 0%. Now go at 1 second and 10 frames. Change start value to 100%. Now go 5 frames forward. Change end value to 100%. Now you can see the preview. Perfect. Now select all created keyframes. Change keyframe assistant to easy ease. Now adjust the speed graph as shown. Now let's see the preview. Perfect. Now in Effects and Preset, search for Transform. Now add it to Shape Layer. Now change skew value to -10. Here you can set skew value according your requirement. Now you can see the preview. Perfect. Here you can change the path direction. Now you can see, the path of shape layer is reverse. To change the shape color, you can add fill, from Effects and Preset. Here you can set any color you want for your shape layer. Now let's create a duplicate of shape layer 1. Press Ctrl+D to create a duplicate. Now press U to view created keyframes. Now let's remove the end keyframes. Now position the shape layer at 15 frames. Now let's see the preview. Perfect. Now let's change the fill color. Here you can set any color of your choice. Perfect. Now let's add our text. Now align the text to center. Now let's recompose the text layer. Name it as text. Now in Effects and Preset, search for Transform. Add it to text composition. Now change skew value to -10. Now in Effects and Preset, search for Fill. Add it to text composition. Now change Fill Color. Now position the text composition at 15 frames. Now go up 2 seconds. Now press P to bring up the position. Now create a keyframe for position. Now come back at 15 frames. Now change position value for X-axis and Y-axis as shown. You can see the preview. Perfect. Now select all created keyframes. Change Keyframe Assistant to Easy Ease. Now adjust the speed graph as shown. Now let's see the preview. Perfect. Now select Shape Layer 2. Press Ctrl+D to create duplicate. Now place Shape Layer 3 above the text composition. Now for text composition. Change Track Matte to Alpha Matte Shape Layer 3. Now let's see the preview. Perfect. Here our 5th tutorial of Minimal Title series is complete. Thank you guys for watching this tutorial. If you like this tutorial then make sure to like and share this video and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you.